like, comment, and subscribe. This is Playing with Fire. Got myself some new gear for going on the snowmobile. Got myself a new saw, a new collapsing shovel, and a snow probe. Finances are kind of tight, so I gotta wait before I get myself a beeper transponder, whichever one you want to call it. But I want to add one of those to my backpacking abilities or backwoodsing abilities. And I'm also thinking about picking up myself a Zelo communications device. And what that does is it turns your standard cell phone into a satellite type phone. It allows you to make a couple of phone calls and texts and whatnot. Costs a couple hundred to get the machine, and then it costs a monthly subscription in order to maintain it. But yeah, so this is what's coming. I got a ride this Sunday. It's a family day. I'm going to give him a hand. Hopefully, prepping some stuff, and then there's a GPS scavenger scavenger hunt. So I'm gonna cruise around, hopefully with a body of other people, to collect GPS waypoints on my Montana 650 and try and win myself a prize. Anyway, stay tuned. There's always more content coming irregularly, I admit, but I'm working on it.